Hello friends and welcome back to Spin Showcase. This is Mansi Dave and we are at the Roof India exhibition, Asia's most definitive expo in roofing and allied products. This is the second day of the exhibition and Spin TV is all set to woo you all with the Spin Showcase. So let's take a look. Mr. Gaurav Maheshwari, the Senior Sales Officer. Hello sir, how are you? Tell us something about your products and the brand.
See, we are a 6,000 crore group company. All over the world, we have the offices and all. We have this stall for the particular product called sandwich panel. This is called an insulated sandwich panel, which we can use for roofing as well as for walling, for the prefab structure, or for the cold storage segment, or for the poultry farms and all. So these are some segments wherein we have already worked many projects.
Mr. Anil Dhar, the Zonal Sales Manager.
Zamil Steel India is into pre-engineering buildings. It's a MNC multinational company. We have been working in this particular product for the last 37 years. Our main source of business remains pre-engineering buildings. In India, we started from 2007. We have a facility in Ranjangaon, that's in Pune, and we have done more than 1,500 projects in India as of now, apart from warehouses, multi-story buildings, car parkings. We have been growing every year in terms of 20 to 25%, and we are looking for a brighter future with this product in India.
The Managing Director of Coroshield in Singapore. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm very fine, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Give us more insights on the brand and the product.
Coroshield is a premium branding for fasteners globally. India is one of the territory where we pay a lot of attention to. This is a big country. It's an emerging economy. There is a lot of potential in this country. The product Coroshield caters to customer in the steel constructions. It basically fastens and secure their sheetings into the steel buildings. And this is a specialized fasteners that comes with a lot of innovation and patented technologies that is not available in India. So yeah, we are getting a good market here, and we are hoping to spread the market through the show.
So would you like to give any message to your potential consumers, or would you like to encourage them to explore this exhibition?
I think that for those who has missed this show or is going to miss this show, they should consider coming down to the next Roof India, because this is I've been here for 16 years and this is the only dedicated show for structural steel roofing related kind of business. So this is definitely very focused and is definitely fruitful. So do come down.
Mr. Jason, thank you so much for your valuable inputs and we wish you all the best for your exhibition.
Thank you. Thank you for your time, and thank you Spin TV.
You can attach this any ordinary drill machine and cut sheet metal for MS 1.8 mm, for SS 1.2 mm. This is our complete machine. Maximum capacity for MS plate 4 mm, for SS plate 2 mm.
Sir, tell us something about your product and the brand.
Well, Broach Cutter Drilling Machines Private Limited is a company dealing in hole making machines. We have a range of magnetic drilling machines and core drills which are used for those machines. As well as now we have introduced a new machine called hydraulic punching machine, which can do the punching as fast as within 8 seconds on a 16 mm thick plate up to a 27 mm diameter holes. Our smallest machine in the range is weighing only 10 kgs and it is most useful for working on heights and in different orientations. You can use it horizontally, you can use it upside down also. At different places in situ drilling can be possible. This is the range that products we deal into magnetic drilling machines and hydraulic punching machines.
Mr. Tulsidas Gawande, the sales manager over here. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm fine.
Tell us something about the brand and the products.
We are BDS Machine and GmbH. It's a German company, and we are into manufacturing of magnetic core drilling machines, beveling machines, core drills. We wish Spin TV all the best.
I wish Spin TV all the best.
We wish Spin TV all the best.
We wish Spin TV best of luck.
I wish all the best to Spin TV.
So this was the second day of the Roof India exhibition. As you can see, there is so much to explore and Spin TV will be with you in this journey and guide you throughout. You keep watching Spin TV because we'll be back again with this exhibition in our third segment. Goodbye, take care.